Greetings. Today's video will be a brief explanation of how to go about working in groups to produce a summary and rhetorical precis. Part of the great thing of being in an online class is that you really can work in groups. Collaboration helps us all to learn. So all of you have been placed in groups and you will be working together to create a couple of assignments that you will share with the entire class. The first question that should be asked is, what are we working on? Well, each group is going to produce a summary and rhetorical precis based on one of the texts in the short text set. The instructions for both of these assignments are found on Canvas. In order to write an essay, it's a good idea to know what the text is about, which is the reason for writing the summary. Another thing that you need to be able to do is analyze why the author is writing the text he or she does and what choices they make. That is the point of the rhetorical precis. Again, I want to reiterate that collaboration really helps us all to understand what we are reading better. This assignment is meant for you to produce the summary and rhetorical precis, but also to be able to discuss the text and make sure that you all understand what you are reading. As part of the assignment, I have included a collaboration sign-up table, and you will notice that there are highlighted names that say Student 1, Student 2, etc. with different colors. You will find what you are supposed to be working on, and you will do your part. We are focusing on first the short text 1.2 all the way to the left. Each group has their own private discussion forum workspace where you can discuss what you are doing and work to get your summary and rhetorical precis on the Google Slides. Make sure that you work here and you encourage each other to make sure that they do their part. A great question is, what if someone doesn't do his or her part? Well, my recommendation is to get out in front of this whole thing at the very beginning. Start with that discussion forum and make sure that everyone is on board. If that person doesn't participate, send an email. If they don't respond, then move on without him or her. At the very end, you will be able to write in your reflection, who did what? That is the place to let me know. Once you have a first draft and a final draft of your summary and rhetorical precis for your actual text, you are going to put that information on your 2 Google Slides. This is where you will put your work, and this is where you will have an opportunity to see what the other groups have produced. Finally, you will participate in a short reflection where you talk about what you did and the others in your group did. You will note what went well and why, and what could have gone better. This is where you will receive the majority of the points. You will also receive 20 points for your discussion forum. At the end of the day, make sure to make a copy of the Google Slideshow. Read what other people wrote for their summary and rhetorical precis. Use that information to help you as you work on your essay.